With the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, the Allah Almighty said in Surah Al-A'raf, O children of Adam, take your adornment at every masjid and eat and drink, but not be excessive. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said in Sahih Muslim, your body has a right over you, your eyes have a right over you, and your wife has a right over you. On another occasion, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, entertain yourself with some amusement because it removes anxiety. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. This is my Shakil Rumi. So my dear friends, we were planning and to go out for some type of entertainment with Anwar Ghazi Saab, and then he asked to me, we have a plan, but there is a treat of my friends, so we have to go there. So I think that's right, that's very good. So today, now we are here, we are with Sir Anwar Ghazi. Anwar Ghazi is here with us, and some other children and some other our friends are also with us, and we are going to treat our entertainment on a weekend. So here is Anwar Ghazi Saab, and this is, what's your name, bro? This is Sir Wajidra Saab, and his son of Wajidra, and this is Mr. Asadullah. He's our judge cameraman, and look at that children. Ahmad, son of Sadat, and another one, and there is also Muhammad. So I think we should also entertain ourselves because our body has a right over us, our eyes has a right over us. So we should give them their part, we should give them their importance. So Anwar Ghazi Saab, Anwar Ghazi is looking serious. We'll be on Facebook. Don't make some type of these.
No problem.
Ghazi Saab, kaise hain?
Alhamdulillah, fan, very thanks.
I think this will be the first vlog or interview of yours in English. You all know that Anwar Ghazi Saab. He is a writer, he is an anchor, he is an author. He's like these things. He has a very good personality. He have a love for everyone. He don't have some jealousy, some that of genius for others. He's a very good person. And I'm also working with us, with him, do many things. So this is we are going from Ahsanabad to Jeddah. This is our travel to Jeddah. So we are in the Rahmat-e-Shiri, and we have decided to take some type of kulfa, some type of ice cream also. So there are many different dishes, many different types of sweets you can see everywhere, and some type of breads and shakes also. So we have decided to take some type of kulfas and some type of ice cream. We ordered it, and now we want to buy for parcel also. So brother, what do you decide to buy? Assalamu alaikum, how are you, brother? Are you fine? Can you tell me that which one product is the most famous product of Rahmat-e-Shiri?
Kulfi Faluda.
Kulfi Faluda. Thank you so much, and we can visit the Kulfi Faluda also. Meet here. We will visit it. Wow, they are.
रहमत-ए-शीरी की ना कुल्फी है और बहुत मज़ेदार होती है, ठंडी ठार.
This is the product of Rahmat-e-Shiri kulfi. Amazing, delicious, very sweet and delicious. It's amazing. We eat many things also. You can.